What are you doing to that thing? Good thing it's bulldog leather. Hey guys, it's Jesse Garner from Bulldog Gun Rigs and Heavy Stitching, and today we're going to be restoring this antique gun rig of a friend of mine. The buckle part here is all beat up, broke. Yeah, just age rot. So we're going to replace this strap, make it just a little bit longer. We're going to fill in these holes with some snaps. Starting to tear down here. So we'll run a stitch around it and give it a lining. We'll also replace this strap. Starting to get a little beat up and worn. And we'll fill in these holes. First of all, we got to remove the holster. And this is an old sucker. I already drilled out the holes, or the rivets. It was brass riveted. So let's get this pulled out here. Try not to rip anything. And this is a pretty cool holster. It's an antique. It's probably been around forever, but it's metal lined. It goes all the way down through the... And it looks like I'll be restitching it. These stitches are falling apart. Yeah, I'll run a new stitch down this. It's been sitting in a warehouse. So anyway, we'll get that fixed. That's second priority. Anyway, our main priority is this strap here. Okay, so what we got to do is drill out these rivets. I hate drilling into leather, but I think we can do it. And nice and slow so we don't skip off and hit something we don't want. There goes one. That one just punched right through. So that a little on it. Okay. Now this should just pull. Okay. So we got our strap off. Let's get rid of these rivet holes. When I put it back on, I'll stitch it. I don't like to rely on rivets to hold everything. Let me get my pliers here. Okay, guys. I decided to use some 9 to 10 ounce leather for the straps. We're going to use a little thicker lining than I anticipated, but it should turn out beautiful when I'm done. So anyway, I got the belt strap right here, all drawn out. That's this strap. We added an inch. We'll get this cut out real quick. I love these quick change blades. Just bam, ready to go. Anyway. Take it on the grinder, smooth everything up, and we'll have a strap. And just to see just how thick this is, it's over 1/2 millimeter thick. Over 1/4, so that's kind of the reason I was struggling cutting it. It's thick leather, it's heavy duty. It'll make a great strap, last forever. Alright, I'm going to grind this down and we'll get back. Alright guys, I got all the the straps ground out. You definitely didn't want to see that. I didn't want to see it, but I had to do it. Anyway, nice straight edges on both of them. Okay. Now I found a pattern I'm going to use for it. I'm not going to do the exact pattern that she had. She left me artistic interpretations, so I'm going to throw this one on there. I think it'll look good. Let's get the leather. I had it going, but starting to get a little dry on me. Let that back down just a little bit. Alright. Give this one a nice wet down too. Okay, set that off to the side. Grab my stylus here. Alright. Alright, guys. Tell them to stay tuned to the next one. Like and subscribe. Dang bulldogs.